tea. Come and cook with me. I'm just tea. Come and cook with me. I'm just tea. Hey everyone, what's going on? It's your girl, Just T, you guys. I hope you all are doing awesome today. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, have a seat, sit down, relax your feet. I truly appreciate you coming through, checking me out. I hope that you like this video. I hope that you'll give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And also, go ahead and hit that bell so you'll know when Just T uploads some more videos, all right? So I'm going to go ahead and get into this video, you guys. We are making some Jamaican style jerk spaghetti and meatballs. Yes, ma'am. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and be quiet and go ahead and just jump on into it. Y'all sit back, enjoy, and just relax.
Alright, so we make this some Jamaican style, not fucking. Okay, we got Prego, we got some peppers, we got some, what's that? Some sprouts and stuff. Alright, we're gonna take all this, we're gonna put it on the board, take one of these here hot peppers, chop the hot pepper up like that, try not to cut your fingers off. We're gonna take the hot pepper and we're gonna chop it up, we're gonna put it in this thing over here. Then we're gonna get another one, we're gonna take this other red one, chop that one up too. Try to chop them up at either side and then put that in the thing. Then go ahead and grab this orange one. Chop that one too. Just chop, chop, chop. And chop some more. And then take the onion and you chop it into 4 pieces and then chop it into 4 more pieces. Okay. I see we did this. And then we mix it up. We're mixing back. We're mixing onions. And we're mixing. Until you put some more green stuff in there. And you take the hot peppers, you put that in there. Wait now. Okay. Yep, look just like the other one. And you put that in there. Yep, pepper. So you got all your hot peppers in there. And you mix it up some more. And you keep mixing it. Sometimes if you mix it to a beat. Oh. You got the juice. You gotta squeeze all your hot juice out there like that and save that juice later on because you might want to drink that. But if you squeeze it all out, then you take your hot juice, you just leave it in there. See, that's the hot part right there. People don't know about that. When you take this yellow stuff and you put it over here. Don't put the juice in there though. Sprinkle it over. Right, so now we're going to take our hot stuff. After we're going to sprinkle it around and mix it around a little bit. And you're going to take this hot stuff and you're going to put it in here. This here is allspice. Allspice something. We're just going to take a bunch of this allspice and we're going to dabble that on there. Just a little bit. See? Dabble, dabble, dabble. Alright. Then you're going to go grab this other thing. This other thing called Cajun something. Don't worry about it. You don't even know what it is. Just put it in there. It all tastes good. Alright. So after we done put the Cajun spice in there, we're going to get some of this stuff here. This right here called paprika. Yeah, put a whole lot of that paprika in there. And then you take some oregano. You can see the oregano is going to counteract the allspice. Some people say that anyway. I just like to put a whole bunch in there. Then you take this stuff here. Now this stuff is garlic. This right here, this is good for your spleen. Now, if you put a bunch of that in there, your spleen will be nice and shiny. So you just take a bunch of this spleen, garlic. You put that in there. See that? Now, after you got your allspice and all that stuff in there, you take some of this jerk. This here is jerk. Jamaicans like that. Well, most black people like that. So we're just gonna take a whole lot of that. We're gonna put like about 2-3 scoops in there. But just for the video, I'm taking a regular spoon and put a whole lot in there. See all that? It don't look pretty, but it tastes alright. So now after we done got all that stuff in there, we're gonna take all of this stuff that we took the hot juice off of, and we're gonna put that in there. There ain't no hot juice on there. We're just gonna put it all in there. Get a couple handfuls. See that? Alright. So now we got a couple handfuls. We're gonna mash it all up like that. See, you gotta mash it good. You wanna get your knuckles deep down in the meat like this. See, when you, yeah, see, when you got knuckle meat on regular meat, that's when you know it's good. So you got to get your knuckle deep down in there. See how I got the knuckle deep underhand the knuckle, and then we take the meat and we just you know roll around in your hand a little bit. See, if you're scared to get your knuckles up in there, then you know that's when the meat ain't gonna be good. But see how I'm putting my knuckles deep down here, and I flip it over. Yeah, you got to tickle the meat too. Tickle it, see? Alright, now I'm gonna put some egg on here. See, this egg is good for the skin. Yeah, it ain't all that good for the meat and everything, but it's good for your knuckles. You put the egg in there, and I'm gonna put some little flour. So now I got some flours in here, and I'm gonna set that back down, and I'm gonna put my knuckles back in there. And see, if you put your knuckles in here, and you go ahead and, flip the meat over. Flip the meat. Flip the meat. See how I flip the meat? Couple times, like that. See? Now this right here, let me see, what was I making? I can't remember. Alright, never mind that. We'll figure it out after we get there. I'm going to take some of this here garlic. I'm going to put this garlic on the meat. Do like that. And then I'm going to flip it around a little bit, and I'm going to make some balls. See here? Got that? That's how you make balls. I'm going to do it a couple more times for you, but I'm going to take this ball, and I'm rolling around here like that. Pat it. Show you one more time. Watch me. See how I pull apart? Pull apart like that? Roll it. Roll it. Like that. See? Ain't too hard. Now look. You got yourself a perfect ball. See? Put it in there. Now you got 2 balls. Alright. So now we're going to take these balls. See all these balls I got over here? I roll them around in this flour. And I'm going to put them in the grease. Now I want to get the balls nice and brown. Alright. So I'm going to roll these balls around. I'm sorry, people. Now what you want to do is let your balls Alright, excuse me, people. You just want to let your balls soak around that oil a little bit. It's a little hot, but you're going to flip them around because you don't want no. Because if you let the meatball sit in that oil like that, they're going to get tough. You don't want no tough old balls. So, after you don't got all your vegetable oils and you got the flour and all that stuff on there, you just let them marinate. Right. So, as you can see, the balls getting hot and they cook. All right, so we're gonna take the meatballs and we're gonna move them around a little bit right there, and we're gonna take them out. Now, see how y'all didn't see the way I put them other balls in the oil, and I took some out and I put some on. All right. See how I'm basting them? That's how you need to do it. Because you want your balls to cook evenly. Alright. Flip them around a little bit. See it? Now, if your balls don't look like this, your meatball, then you go back and try it again. Now, I'm going to take the rest of that little stuff I had left over there, and I'm putting it here in the meat, and I'm cooking. See? I'm browning it. I gotta chop it up so they all cook even. See? Even. Just keep moving around. That's how I'm about to do it. Alright. Now I got some Prego. I got that Prego because I don't like to use the Ragu. Ragu was running. Well, this ain't no criticism, but just what I like to use. So after I cook my meat, I'm putting it in here, and I'm gonna put some tomatoes on it. I put my tomatoes in there. I got my leftover meat. You know, that's gonna add some, auxiliary residual meat flavor. I'm gonna stir that all together. Maybe. I put some on my Prego on it. Alright. Now, in all seriousness, now if you want your sprout house and thyme, you're gonna take this and you're gonna rip all them little leaves off of it because you don't want that branch in there. You're going to rip the little leaves off, and you're going to put that in there, and you're going to throw that other thing away. Because, it's good for a toothpick and all, but you don't want to be chewing on that later on. So, right now, let's just adding a little extra flavor on there. Some people like this, some people don't. But if you don't like this, then it's okay. It's all right. Don't cook this. But this right here, this is how you get jerk spaghetti. Oh, y'all didn't know how to make spaghetti, did you? I mean, I might have told y'all that. But anyway, I'm going to let that simmer on the stove a little bit. I'm going to put my spaghetti over here. Alright, so now, normally when I do my spaghetti like that, I put some butter in the water. That helps the spaghetti from sticking together. Now, one of the other things I like to do is that after all my spaghetti got done, and it's all in here, smoker, I throw a piece against the wall, maybe 2 or 3. Just throw them on the wall to see if it's gonna stick or if it's gonna fall right on the floor. Sometimes you do that. You just need to throw it on the wall. Don't do that too much. You mess up your wall paint. You just find one spot on the wall and just keep throwing it at that one spot. All right. So this is what it looked like after I finished cooking everything. I got these branches of damn, just again, thyme. I got the thyme, meatballs, and spaghetti. Look at that. Pretty good, right? Alright, y'all. Thank y'all for watching. And subscribe. Alright, come again.